Okay, now we're going to run regression analysis using Boston housing data, and then we will compute the accuracy performance measures. So we're going to use this data set, Boston housing SAS data table, and I've already downloaded that. I have it here, Boston housing SAS data set. And so we're going to now go through the common steps. We want a new project, and we're going to call it Ch05-01-Performance. And okay, MGT 4270, so that's where we're going to put it in C drive. And the next step is to create a library, call it MG4270, and point to C drive 4270. And the next step is to create a data source and select from the library Boston housing. Okay. Now we have to set the roles are going to be, these two are target. Now chas is going to be nominal. Alright, so we're going to leave the rest of them as is. Room is the average number of rooms, which is numeric. Alright, next to create a diagram, and we'll call it chapter 5 rig or something. Okay. And place the data set. Okay. And we're going to use a partition. Okay, so and that partition is going to be 60% training, 40% validation, and 0 for test. Okay. And then we're going to do a model regression, connect that. Okay. So here, let's check the variables. All right, so here cat median value is set to yes and median value is set to no, and that's because the regression type right now is logistic regression. Change that to linear regression. Now let's look at variables. Okay, it still uses, let's make that no and this one is yes. Okay. So now let's go ahead and run the regression. Okay, let's click on results. Okay, so looking at the results, so we have the analysis of variance for the regression, so right here, and there is the detailed variable by variable information. Okay, and let's look at fit statistics. Fit statistics gives you the various statistics, okay, and the value corresponding to that statistic. Okay, so this is what we saw here. The value now and what you see in PowerPoint is not going to be exactly the same, because the validation set and change set is randomly selected. Okay. All right. So when you look at the average squared error here and the root mean square error, when you see the validation set is slightly larger, which is in the ballpark, so this is all right. Okay. Now, looking at the statistics, these statistics does not give you a good information about the predictive value. It only tells you how well it fits the existing data. But what about the predictive value of the model? Okay, so that's what we're going to do next.